Let's learn how to multi-post with the social planner inside of the strategy studio because we don't need more information, we need direction. My name's Kathy Callahan. Let's dive in. So we're inside of the social planner, and what we're going to do is we are going to click on new post. Of course, if you have not linked your social media accounts yet, this will not be possible. It will actually ask you on that same page to link your accounts. In this case, I am going to import a video or a reel so I can post it on my Facebook business page, my Instagram, my YouTube, and TikTok. Now, this is a video, so we're going to try on LinkedIn and see what it does here. We're going to go ahead and click the upload button. Because I don't have this already saved in a folder, we're going to click upload. We're going to find the video that we want to upload. And that means I need to go back and pick the video button instead of the image button. There we go. All right, this is a video, so let's do that again. Now, one of the suggestions I have made before is organizing your folders, but for the sake of time, I did not save this in a folder. It's just right there. And we are going to go ahead and double click that to import it into the post. The preview is going to show up on the right of what we just uploaded. We're going to confirm that is what we wanted to post, and that is not what we wanted to post. So that's a good thing we previewed. We're going to trash that. We're going to go back to video, and we're going to pick the correct video. There we go. So that's how it's going to look on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and I think that last one is YouTube. So what we want to take a look at now is we want to put a description here. So I've got that written and ready. We're going to double check because I do not like those dashes. All right, so what we want to check now is as we scroll down, there are some options that in this video I'm going to dive a little bit into. So in this case, I am going to schedule a follow-up comment to post into the comments after the video goes up. So I have done that there. So I went ahead and added a category. This is for your reference only so that you can find your posts more easily when you sort them by category. You can also apply tags. These are for your reference only. We don't have any tags at this current time. So all you need to do is just type what you want the tag to be or the tags. In this case, I am using Breakout Clips, so I might decide to sort by that later. And we've got the SSC lifetime deal going on. And now we're going to decide where do we want this to show up and how. So this is going to go into Facebook as a feed option. We could also change it to a reel or a story. I do want this to go into the feed, and I want to do an autoresponder if they comment. Instagram, again, it could be feed, it could be reel. This one I'm honestly debating. I think I'm going to go ahead and do feed. We can test this. We can also repost it as a reel. TikTok, it has to be a reel. We can allow them to comment, duet, or stitch if we'd like to. You can see those settings. YouTube, we need to add a title. So that's how it'll show up there. Okay, so I've added that here. It could be a video or a short. I am going to change it to a short because it's just a little short video. Let's look at the warnings. Caution, Instagram posts with single video will be shared as a reel. So that means Instagram, it's going to show up as a reel regardless. I don't need any collaborators. The only other thing we can do is if you scroll to the top here, you'll see that you can customize it for each channel. So while you are using the social planner to post all at once, if you want to look through each platform, if there's anything you want to change, because maybe it might make sense to position it a little bit differently per platform, you can do that as well. Some platforms also allow for longer content. So I use my friend ChatGPT and we just mix it up a bit. So we have a different version on Facebook business page. You can see here, Instagram, you can see there. Look at the spacing, make sure you like it. LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Now on YouTube, you can give links. That's a little bit what's different, right? Okay, so I'm happy with it. I always get nervous when I go to post. Okay, so you can post it now. You can add it to your scheduler. You can set it for recurring if you want to, which I might because this is a promo offer. You can send it for approval if you have someone that has to approve. So let's go ahead and schedule recurring posts. Um, do we want it to repeat every day? Honestly, no. Let's go ahead and have it repeat every week. Post time 11:52 a.m. is fine. We want it to end on the 31st because this is a promo that ends then. So August 3rd through the 31st. Come on. 3rd through the 31st. Confirm, double check that. So today is Sunday. It's gonna hit now. We'll just leave it on Sunday. We'll see what happens. We can go mess with it. Now we scheduled it, which means it should go out pretty soon. It's 11:43 here. Post created successfully, and we did it. So awesome. I don't know why my little head doesn't show there. I do need to update so that all of my profiles are the same. These do need to be optimized. We can take a look at anything here. We can monitor each different platform if we want to edit, clone, or delete. All right, that's it. Go have fun with your strategy studio. And if you want to use the breakout clips like I did, I'll give you that link in the description of this video. Okay, bye for now.